What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ILLUDERMA before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ILLUDERMA works. What is ILLUDERMA serum? For those struggling with dull and lifeless skin, ILLUDERMA may be the perfect solution. This skin health supplement is formulated to deeply moisturize your skin and provide a potent infusion of antioxidants, helping to restore your skin's natural glow and vitality. How ILLUDERMA works to improve your skin. As we age, our skin often develops wrinkles and dark spots due to decreased collagen production. Additionally, constant exposure to blue light can damage the skin's protective layer, making it vulnerable to oxidative stress and dark spots. ILLUDERMA is a skin health supplement designed to tackle these issues. It targets dark spots and restores the skin's protective barrier, helping shield it from oxidative damage caused by factors such as UV radiation. The supplement contains a blend of vitamins and minerals that work to enhance skin tone, reducing dullness and darkness while promoting a radiant and glowing complexion. Improve skin moisture retention, keeping the skin hydrated and nourished. Proved essential vitamins, supporting overall skin health and vitality. By addressing these key areas, ILLUDERMA helps improve skin appearance and resilience, ensuring a healthier and more youthful look. What are the ingredients of ILLUDERMA serum? ILLUDERMA combines herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients to support skin health, including REJUVENATIng, an evergreen shrub from southern Europe with antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Hyaluronic acid helps retain skin moisture, soothes skin texture, and has anti-aging properties that prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Illuderma, a medicinal plant rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It helps slow skin aging, prevent acne, increase collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. Sencha, a type of Japanese green tea that boosts the immune system and is rich in antioxidants. It protects the skin from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and has anti-aging properties. Witch hazel, an astringent loaded with antioxidants and antiviral properties, reducing skin irritation and fighting acne. Horsetail, a fern used for its medicinal properties, hydrating the skin and acting as a natural antioxidant. Jojoba oil, a perennial plant from North America known for its moisturizing effect on the skin. It hydrates, has antibacterial and antioxidant properties, and boosts collagen production. Rosemary, a shrub from which essential oil is formulated. It is a natural antioxidant that protects the skin, improves blood circulation, gives the skin a healthy glow, and reduces blemishes and spots. Other ingredients used in the ILLUDERMA solutions are goji-kola, sage, vitamin C, hops, vitamin E, lemon peel, and scotspan. Final words about ILLUDERMA serum. Banishing the misconception that dark spots are solely an aging accomplice, ILLUDERMA unveils a shield against the invisible villains, blue modern radiation rays. The ILLUDERMA experience transcends skincare, offering bonuses that sweeten the deal, unlocking Asia's beauty secrets and sculpting a Hollywood-ready physique in 21 days. As we unravel ILLUDERMA's secrets, its 100% natural prowess, USA-made excellence, and GMO-free commitment shine through. ILLUDERMA serum where to buy? You will only find ILLUDERMA serum on the official website. So take advantage of this offer today by clicking the link below to secure your discount.